playwright. Hidden Loops was written and produced by Cincinnati's own Lamont Hill. Lamont's here to join us today to tell us about his own creation. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Give us well, first of all, what inspired you to start writing plays?
Okay. Well, let me share that it's Saturday.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Saturday.
The show. Yes, ma'am. What inspired me? I saw a stage production when I was about 13 years old at the Taft Theater, and it really just began to spark my interest in writing and theater and acting. So I just dove into it.
All right, and tell us a little bit about your play that's going to be showing this weekend. What's it about?
Okay, the play is about a guy named Tony Kingston. He is about 25 years old, and he's going through life. He's having a really, really rough time. He's holding in a lot of pain, a lot of anger, and resentment towards his mother. And then he goes to see a counselor, and we dig back into his childhood to see, okay, what's going on, what happened to you. So it's a story of healing, it's a story of restoration, learning how to let go and forgive people and love.
When you create something like this and write something like this, what do you want the audience to walk away from after they see this play?
I want the audience to walk away with the message that when you hold in hatred and hurt and unforgiveness in your heart, you really can't go anywhere from that. And the best way to be free in your mind, mentally, and to let all the stress go is to forgive. To forgive people. So I want people to walk away with the message of love.
Great message right there. Now, you're a local playwright, but there are also some local actors involved in your play.
Yes. Have a couple of people from that graduated from performing arts school here. I have also some people. I have Lillian Lloyd. She sings with Ricky Dillon and New G. She is from Texas. So it's pretty good.
Something to really make people proud of their city.
Oh, yes.
Definitely.
Oh, yes.
Now, it's Saturday night.
Yes.
Are tickets still available?
Tickets are still available. You can get tickets by calling 513-621-ARTS or going directly to the Aronoff. CincinnatiArts.org is the website.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Good luck Saturday.
All right, thank you.
All right, well, the play is Saturday night at the Aronoff Center's Jarson Kaplan Theater at 7 p.m. Tickets are $42.50. One company takes good care of the families of its workers that pass away. We'll tell you who's got the great benefits.